Denver Court now provide quality service and access for consumers. New and expanded programs serving self-represented litigants. Denver Court District has announced the expansion and relocation of its self-represented litigant center, which has been in continuous operation for nearly 18 years, representing the court's long-standing recognition of the ever-increasing population of litigants representing themselves in non-criminal proceedings. As the need has grown, the center has expanded and relocated to better serve the customers of the court. The center recently added more staff, public access terminals, and workstations, and assistance in a variety of case types, family, civil, and juvenile matters. The self-help personnel staff are both lawyers and non-lawyers, as well as volunteers who support and assist and guide self-represented litigants through complex court processes. Center staff will answer questions about court rules and procedures. Let me finish this, guys, and then I'll say hi. Procedures, locating and helping complete the correct court forms, providing an understanding of court options such as mediation or other alternative dispute resolution, and coordinating with legal and community resources. The self-help coordinators cannot give legal advice or represent parties in court. There is no charge for service regardless of income. The center, open 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday, has locations both in the city and county building at 1437 Bannock, room 368, serving civil and domestic matters, at the Lindsay Flanagan Courthouse at 520 West Colfax Avenue, room 125, serving juvenile-related matters. Denver Probate Court Council will also serve their customers in the city and county building center. In addition to the expanse of the self-represented litigant center, the Denver District Court Domestic Relations Court have recently implemented Pro Bono Wednesdays. Ooh, that sounds like fun. Every Wednesday, the Denver City and County Building will host volunteer domestic relations attorneys who are donating their services by acting as neutrals. These volunteer attorneys are prepared to help with a broad range of domestic issues such as reducing information and agreements to writing, mediating simple issues that parties neglected to address through mediation, or assisting parties. Yes, sir.
The person who should know is not responding to her IM right now. She's probably busy doing the trial, but have you tried 5H yet?
No, I have not tried
Try
5H.
It's not in there.
Actually, I'm gonna say that I was this morning upstairs at 5H and did not find, it was a room full of people. 9?
There's a room full of people?
Yeah. So it wouldn't have been a jury
It
trial.
wasn't a trial?
No.
Okay, yeah, the last time they were in court, it was in 5H.
I'll go back and check, but again, the fact that the record shows that it's in 2H, which is a non-existent courtroom, is the reason that I'm here. And the reason that I was sent up here is because I went to the district court office downstairs on the first floor, and they have no idea where it's at.
Okay.
So
try
if
5H, and then try the county court clerk's office too.
It's 2H. It's the juvenile courtroom, but that's what we found that trial.
Are you sure there's no 2H?
I guess it's in 2H, huh?
That's what I'm told.
That's what I was not told. Okay, I mean, I was told, but it wasn't. So, in addition, these volunteer attorneys are prepared to help with a focus on access to justice. Denver District Court is committed to assisting our consumers. Many individuals in the civil justice system and nearly 70% of all family law litigants represent themselves in court. Often they do not qualify for assistance from Colorado Legal Services, yet they simply cannot afford to hire a private attorney. It is imperative that our courts address this ever-increasing need. For more information on Denver's expanded self-help center or Pro Bono Wednesdays, contact the center at 720-865-8440. I was being assisted, actually, ma'am.
Okay.
And I was recording the criminal most wanted and
Okay,
everything that's going on.
let me inform you that there's no recording whatsoever inside the building. No recording, no taking pictures, none of that at all.
For what purposes?
It's actually a policy within the building, so I either have
Policy.
To ask, I either have to ask you to put your recording device away or escort you out of the building.
So it's a policy, it's
It
not a
is
law.
Policy, yes, it is a policy for the building, so.
It's a policy for the building. Do you have that in documentation? Can I
do,
see it?
yes, let's head on down to the first floor
Okay,
and I'll show you
I was
that.
actually trying to go to a courtroom to go sit in a courthouse.
No problem,
So-
I'll show you that policy downstairs and then you can continue on. So,
Okay, great.
Unfortunately, you cannot have your.
Well, I'm
recording device.
interacting with a police officer now and you approached me.
Yes, I did.
So I am on camera for my own protection and safety now.
Okay, well,
which is
let me
part
give
of the
you-
constitutional authority that the
Giving
Supreme
you
Court
I'm
says.
giving you your options right now. It's
Okay.
your choice. You either have to put away your recording device or you have to leave the building.
Okay, so
Then we could call car out. You could get trespassing charges, disturbing the peace. Is that something you'd like to go through today?
Ms. Chavez, and your
Yes.
number is 1511.
Yes.
So I'm actually awaiting contact from the city manager, I believe it is.
Well, I
They're
would call a
researching
different-
this.
I would actually call a DPD car out to have you come and like take it in and press citations and everything like that. Again, I'm giving you your option on what needs to happen right now.
Oh, okay, that's fine. I will finish this sentence that I was about to finish and put my recorder away anyway, because I had no intention of leaving this room. I was recording a billboard. This is not a courtroom. This is a hallway that public service and public information. As a matter of fact, on this board is a press release. And that's what I was recording, was the press release. And so since it's a press release, I figured that that was not a big deal.
Again, I'm telling you that it's the building policy, so
Okay.
it's in the entire building. No
But it's not a
courtrooms, no
court order and it's
hallways,
not a law.
No anything in the building.
All right.
LFC, Lindsay Flanagan Courthouse,
Uh-huh.
no recording at all in the building.
Okay,
So,
so again, your name,
Deputy Chavez,
Deputy
1511.
Chavez, 1511. You guys got that. I'm surrounded by 2 officers in a courthouse right now, and it is a courthouse. So we're gonna turn off the camera because I'm not ready to go to jail today. And we'll catch up with this update. But as we were saying, these are some important things. There's probation press releases that are here as well. The Crime Stoppers Most Wanted, and now we have Crime Stoppers as well. Please do call, guys. I am going to separate myself because city council representatives that are being running for office anyway are watching this right now as well and calling this some bogusness.
Okay.
And my city council representatives have said that there should not be any reason, any problem for recording in a hallway, in a room that's not a courtroom.
Sir, I understand. I'm just telling you what our policy is, and
Okay.
that's what I'm here to address.
Okay. And
If
how
you
did you?
change by all means, but like get it changed, record all that you want to.
Okay.
I'm just telling you what our building.
How did you come to record to come up here and tell me this? By the way,
Oh, we were told that you were recording in here.
who told you?
I don't know. I just was dispatched. So.
Oh, you were dispatched. Fantastic. Guess what, guys? That means that I'm being watched by the Denver Police Department or Sheriff's Office. Yeah, we're going to do that. We're not going to fight this. I'm in a corner right now, guys. So I'm going to let it go. We're going to shut it off, and we're going to call our representatives and do this in a court of law.